Guys, let's just unpack again naku kuningi eMzansi. Hayi uNomcebo-ke bathi uvele wahamba eSwatini akaziwa. She's actually on the run. So basically, people feel ukuthi the Zumas scammed uKing Mswati. The 22-year-old uNomcebo is not even ekhokhelwa amalobolo. And then for 2 million rands ngapha. Inkomo zu-100 vele-ke kufuneka 100 because I guess mhlambe she was a virgin, you know, we don't know angithi guys ama-dynamics abantu mhleze ngisho ngithi yabo since isikhathi ungangeneleli kakhulu ey'ndabeni zabantu, you don't know ukubone lona. So usisi wahamba kanjalo-ke citing ukuthi she never sees the king. Guys, it's crazy la nto yakuKing Mswati. Khumbula some lady who was also married to him, or should I say some girl, uyabona ukuthi it's crazy. Swezincane lengane zabantu ngapha eSoweto wabaleke kuseni usisi naye azange aphinde abuyele cause nje hey into yasebukhosini guys, inkosi uzoyibona every 6 months. Umuntu oshade nabafazi abaningi kanje when are you gonna get to see them ukuyibona leyo nto? So sisters bathuthena she hasn't seen uMswati for months, but manje mina ngiyacanga ngoba these people they've been traveling, he's been buying her awashabizayo stuff, they've been traveling overseas together. UMswati uyaspenda, and even that has caused a lot of controversy eSwatini Empire ukuthi hey baba uyaspenda. Awubusacabanga ukuthi akuwena kuphela phela, there's other people la, you know, laba angifuni ukuthi abamkhonzayo, but more like baba believela kuyena as inkosi nomkhandlu-ke basically that's looking after the royal family and all of that, you know, those things. Hey, but uMswati guys has had a lot of issues and stories. Unkosikazi wakhe wakwashona 2 or 3 abafazi ababaleka. Usisters, this is not the first one. That's just over the years. This is not the first wife to run away, guys. We know this. Hey, angazi. So bathi akakapheli neminyaka bacela ukuthi abuye usisi ekhaya they going to actually send a delegation to go to Nkandla homestead to fetch usisi. Where is she? No one knows at this point. So you see me lapho guys on Buningia eMzansi. Thank you so much. Ngithanda over.